This, my friends, is a Yard Machines chipper shredder with a bulletproof 318cc Tecumseh 8 horsepower engine, pneumatic tires, and a 3-way feed system. A chipper with a 3-inch branch capacity, a rake-in or drop-in hopper with a 1 1/4 inch branch capacity. I'm not here to say that this is the best chipper ever made, and it does have its flaws, but it's a solid machine which can lead you to wood chip heaven. Okay, so the next question, where do you find a machine to use? Well, for this capacity, you could go to the store and buy one for around $800. For the rest of us, we have to do a little bit of research. We got to know where to look, and we may have to wait for a deal. Who knows, we might even get lucky and find a free one, but that goes without saying. It's probably going to require some type of service. So here's mine in all her glory. Flat tires, to say the least, broken chipper chute, mouse nest inside the engine cover, dirty oil, filter, and spark plug. After just a little elbow grease, she cleaned up pretty nice. Oh, but wait, I've never even started it. Surprisingly, with a couple squirts of carb spray, it started right up and idled fine. Okay, so here's what we're working with today. We have a bucket of leaves, some smaller saplings into larger size saplings, and then finally dried branches up to about 3 inches. Okay, takes a couple pulls to start. We're still trying to use the old gas out of it. One of the obvious downfalls is that branches get stuck in the hopper and you have to fish them into the impeller. Okay, so you see I killed it. I did, however, notice I only had it on 3/4 throttle. And here we are, the final product. So let me know your thoughts about this machine. In my case, would you keep it for another project down the road, or would you resell it? Thanks for watching.